Morning, it's Alex. So obviously, I did not just shower, I just worked out, and I ran 3 miles, which I haven't done in a really long time, so it was really hard, and I kept wanting to stop, but I kept going. What was my finger in there? Okay. But yeah, just came back to the car to get my wallet, because I'm headed to get bagels for breakfast. It's the weekend, and I don't know, I always get a bagel on the weekend now, so. But yeah, anyways, today I'm heading to the beach with my friend Carissa and her boyfriend Nick, which obviously you've seen before. So yeah, we're going to Belmar, which is my favorite beach, and we're just spending the day there later. Okay, so it's like super loud. Our washer's broken. Okay, anyways, got distracted. Packing for the beach, so I just got some waters. It's also like really dark in here. Got some cherries, an orange, more water. Yeah, I mean, obviously going to Pliables for lunch, but just packing a few snacks in case I get stuck in a lot of traffic because it is like 4th of July weekend, so yeah, so I'm about to hit the road. It's gonna be a long drive, I feel like, so made some coffee, but I'll see you at the beach. Well, it literally took me like 2 hours to get here, and I really gotta pee, and I had to park really far away, so I'm running to Playa. Alright, so today's video was kind of like super short because my phone died. I'm an awful filmer. Awful YouTuber. But yeah. What are these baby hairs? Pretty busy week planned, so I will be trying to film all of that and make it more exciting than today's video. But yeah, now I'm home, so make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.